Hi friends, welcome back to Mithun Solutions. In this video, I am going to tell you top 10 engineering colleges in Bangalore. So many of my friends, they were requesting me to do the video about top 10 engineering colleges. So this is the video for you. So this is the top 10 engineering colleges in our Bangalore. First it is RV College of Engineering. Next MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology. It is also present in Bangalore. Next PES University. It's also present in Bangalore. Next BMS College of Engineering. Next Bangalore Institute of Technology. Next Vishveshwara University. And 7th position Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering. Next 8th position PESET. It is in the South campus. So next 9th BNM Institute of Technology. And next New Horizon College of Engineering. These are the top 10 engineering colleges. So let's go through one by one. RV College of Engineering. It is one of the top engineering colleges in our Bangalore. It plays number 1 position in our engineering. So its highest package is 55 lakhs, whereas average package is 8 lakhs per annum. According to me, if you search any top colleges, you can see average packages. For highest packages, for any 1 or 2 students, it will get those who are top in their course. So you can go through average package. It's better. Second top college is MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology. It's also present in Bangalore. Its average package is 7 lakhs per annum. So you can choose MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology as your engineering college. It's better. Third top college is PES University. It's also present in our Bangalore. Its highest package is 1.5 crore, not 1.5 lakh, it's 1.5 crore. But average package is 6.5 lakh. I have told you already. If you search any top colleges, you can go to average packages. Highest package it goes to only for 1 or 2 students, those who are very top in their subject knowledge and technical knowledge. So you can go to average package. In this only you will get highest package, PES University, 1.5 crore for 1 annum. Next, fourth position is BMS College of Engineering. It's one of the oldest college in our Bangalore. This college started in the year 1946, before the independence. Its highest package is 48 lakhs per annum and average package is 5 lakhs. Fifth top college is Bangalore Institute of Technology. It's also located in Bangalore. Its average package is 5.5 lakhs per annum. Sixth top college is Vishveshwara University of Engineering College. Its average package is 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Seventh top college in our Bangalore is Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering. It is also one of the good college in our Bangalore. Its average package is 3.5 lakh to 4.5 lakh per annum. It's also one of the good college. Eighth top college is PESET University College. It's present in South Campus. I have told you already top third college, PES University. The companies, those who go to PES University, they only go to PESET College also. Same management and all. So the average package for that college is 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. BNM Institute of Technology. It's also present in our Bangalore. It's one of the 9th top college in our Bangalore. Its average package is 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. Next, New Horizon College of Engineering. It's one of the top 10th college in our Bangalore engineering colleges. Its average package is 5 to 6 lakhs per annum. Yeah friends, last but not the least, this video is made on the basis of the placement strategies. So, this is the top 10 engineering colleges in our Bangalore. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment. Thank you.